Hey guys, Matt here. Today I'm going to be plasti dipping my new wheels for my Volkswagen Polo GTI. So what I'm going to do first is give all the wheels a good clean with some soapy water. Alright, and while we wait for the wheels to dry, I'm going to unbox the Plasti Dip, which is in this box. And it also came with this glossifier stuff, which should make it more of a glossy finish, which would be good so it doesn't look like Plasti Dip. And there's just 4 cans of black Plasti Dip, which is just like stock standard stuff. I got this whole package for, I think it was 75 bucks or $50, I can't remember, because 75 was including postage, so $50 for all of this, which is a pretty good deal. So let's hope it's actually worth it when I spray it on the wheels. So I got the wheels ready for Plasti Dip. So I've got these paper cards on the outside of the rim just to protect the tyre from getting the Plasti Dip on it. And I've also cut the pinky off a glove and put that on the stem of the valve, just to protect that from getting sprayed as well. So what I'm going to do first is just spray the outside of the rim, and then I'll go inside and just get a thicker coat on the outside so I can peel it off later. Alright, so we'll now just leave these two to dry, and we'll come back in around 30 to 40 minutes. Alright, so I think I'll leave it at 3 coats. So this one here, had a bit of bad luck with this one, but it still looks alright. The can just started dripping out, so it has a few spots on it, like, I don't know if you can see that there, but just like that sort of stuff. But then this one over here, this one's just perfect, it's got nothing wrong with it, so this is a really good finish here. So this is what I'll try and get with all my other rims. Finished product of the rims. I think they look pretty good. There's a few imperfections around the place because of, I don't know, there's some sort of dodgy thing going on with underneath of the rim, like someone's like started sanding it or something, trying to repair it, and it's just like stuffed it up. So apart from that, it looks pretty good. So let's get these on the car and see how it looks. So here's the final result. The wheels are all done. I didn't put the glossifier on because I just wanted to see what it would look like before having glossifier, and I'll probably eventually put the glossifier on, but I think it looks pretty good at the moment, and it really enhances the red brake calipers as well, and just looks really fitting with the car. So now I'm going to put up some pictures that I took the other night of when I took the car out, and you can see the new look of the car as it is right now, but at night, and I think it looks really good. So this only cost me about $75 including shipping, so I think it's a pretty good deal for what you get out of it. If you wanted it to look a bit better, then you would probably go paint, but that costs about $200 a wheel, which is what I got quoted, or you can do it yourself if you have all the equipment. But I just wanted like a guaranteed good finish, which is what I got with the Plasti Dip. There's still some little bits I can touch up, but from far away it looks really good. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.